Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your POCO C50. First of all, open your standard application on this phone gallery and then press and hold to select some photos, like this, for example 3. Okay, and now for hide your photos, need tap Add to Album button and choose here Private Album. And now we got message to view the items you made private, swipe down in albums, tap OK. And now need sync in into our Xiaomi cloud, so choose our albums to sync and tap sync in. Now need sync in with your phone, email or Xiaomi account ID and enter password, or you can log in into your Facebook and Google. I'm syncing with my Google account. So tap here and tap Google. Okay, I'm logged in into my Xiaomi cloud and now need set up a privacy protection password. I'm like this one and repeat it. Tap next, not now. And here we got our private album, so go to our normal album. Okay, here we got all our photos from Xiaomi Cloud. So let's try again. Press and hold to select and tap Add to Album button, choose Private Album, tap OK, and we hide these photos. So go to Album, then drag and hold to down. And now need to enter our privacy protection password, tap OK, cancel, okay, enter our password, and here we got all our hide photos. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.